guys, welcome back to my channel. I want to give a big shout out to all my subscribers. I want to thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. I really appreciate it. And if you are new, welcome. Please go ahead and hit the subscribe button so that you can also become a subscriber. Please turn on your post notification bell so that you won't miss an upload from me. Also, go ahead and share the video with your friends and your family, and ask your friends to share it with their friends. Together we will grow. So as you can already see in the title, I am heading to Jamaica. Yes, I'm heading to the beautiful island of Jamaica. It's always good to go back home. All right, so stay tuned, and I'll give you some clips of the beautiful, beautiful island of Jamaica. All right, so stay tuned. I am here in Montego Bay. Thank God I have had a safe flight. It's pretty warm, and I'm just here enjoying the nice weather, as I know what Canada has to offer. Alright, so I'll check back in with you soon. Yeah. Alright guys, so here we are on Bottom Road, Montego Bay. Beautiful Jamaica, nowhere no better than yard.
It's a lower road.
It's a lower road, alright, I'm sorry. Not Bottom Road, the lower road.
That's right. Lower and upper.
Yes guys, so we're here at KFC.
Yeah,
Yeah man,
yeah.
with my brother.
KFC,
KFC.
the Jamaican one, the real KFC in the world, the realest KFC. You can't get it anywhere else like here.
It's the real deal.
All right.
Yeah, and you have to eat like a what? A 3-piece.
A 3-piece, a big deal.
A big deal.
Out here, everybody's a big deal.
Big deal.
Some get bigger than some.
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
All right, take care. So I'm having a big deal here with some coleslaw, and I don't know what kind of drink is this. All right, so here you have the national dish of Jamaica, KFC. Right, so this is the Mandeville Hospital, the Mandeville Regional Hospital. Hey, Mandeville's a beautiful town still.
Yeah, man.
Very, very beautiful.
Very beautiful.
So guys, here we are in Mandeville town. It's quite festive up here. It looks like it's Grand Market. It's like it's Christmas. As you can see, town in Spalding. 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 So if you're from Manchester, then chances are you're familiar with this little town here. Very congested. You can see it. Alright, so here we are in Old Harbor. Old town of Old Harbor, right? guys, so I'm about to have some lunch. It's some box food, Jamaican style, of course. We have chicken, curry goat with some salad, rice and peas. Yeah, if you're from Jamaica, you know the drill. You know exactly what this is, and it's like a must-have when you're in Jamaica. Rice and peas and chicken and curry goat. All right, so I know some people are a bit jealous, but just look at that.
Yeah, with fried beef. Ooh.
The jerk man in action. Yes, guys, so we're here at Murray's.
Right? Yeah.
What's that, pork? Or chicken? Okay. So this is it. Jerk chicken with ketchup. And then I have some festivals here. Yeah.
Hey guys, we're here at Murray's in Clarendon Park, Jamaica, having some jerk chicken, festival, fry baked dumplings, and just some hot sauce, tropical rhythm, mango carrot.
Yeah. Doesn't get any better.
Cool. Enjoy.
Check this out.
Let's dive in.
Mm. Mm-mm. That is it. More pepper. No, I need more pepper.
Different chicken you get from it. You know, two we get a nice chicken.
Festival.
Festival.
Doesn't get any better.
Festival.
The jerk chicken, the festival, amazing.
With some hot pepper sauce.
If you ever come to Jamaica, make sure to visit Murray's in Clarendon. Awesome, guys. Mhm. Guys, the thing about jerk chicken, you might see me with a fork, but it's not the same thing. You'll have to eat jerk chicken with your hand.
This is a finger food.
Yeah. This is a real finger food. Right? For some reason it tastes different when you eat it with your finger.
Very nice. You get the real taste.
Go back.
Which one you want? Which flavor you want?
Devon Stout.
No stop.
Huh?
No stop.
Ice cream. Ta-da!
Come on.
Alright guys, so right after my jerk chicken, I'm having some ice cream. Alright. I won't disclose the flavor, but one thing I can tell you, it is really, really good.
You with the cow, you know? You with the cow.
Really Jamaican style. Guys, sugar cane, very good. You have to clean the cheese. What else you do, brother Will? Put the gas. Hello, sugar cane.
Good for arthritis. Yeah, good for arthritis. Get up on the vlog, you know, but get up on the vlog, you know.
Brother Will.
Yeah, man.
Alright guys, so we are here at Bethel Bible College. This is where it all started for me, where I got my initial formal training at Bible College. So here we have the administrative
President.
building, and we have our president here.
Shake your man now.
This is the block you were
Yes,
talking
sir.
about. Okay.
Dr. Williams.
Yes.
Greet the people,
Greetings,
man.
greetings. It's great to have Bishop Leslie, my brethren,
Yes, man.
here with us, and he is one of our distinguished graduates. He might not refer to himself as such, but it's great to have him, and yeah, it's a pleasure.
Yeah, man, and we were roommates.
Definitely.
Can you imagine?
Eh,
Well, now he's my senior.
He was my father.
Now you're my
Yeah.
son then.
Yeah.
Yes.
So, yeah, that's the way life is.
Yeah, man, and the little library was here. It's not a little library anymore, eh? Here it all began. So this is the dining room. Yes, sir. Where we used to have lunch. And what's your name?
My name is Paula Solomon.
Paula.
Yes, sir.
So you are the cook.
Yes, sir.
So Salman, how are you?
Lunch is not yet ready.
No, sir.
What's on the menu today?
Pig stew, stew.
Jesus! Remember, this is not only college.
Jesus, some mercy. And it's Bethel.
Yes.
It's New Testament.
True.
And they know who.
No, it's not
No.
supposed to be poor.
There has to be pork in the house. If there's no, yeah.
Chapel Bible, man.
Yeah, man.
So, here used to be my room. So I locked up now, but my room used to be here. And then we used to have the office down there, remember?
Oh, yes. Way down. Down there, down the passage.
Yes,
Yeah.
sir. So I'm here at Mega Mart. I'm about to pick up some goodies to take back. Alright, go on, I'll do my video. About half a dozen. About half a dozen. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful island. Lush green vegetation.
Burn down there and
The bamboo? Yeah.
the spring fast. We had the period of rain, so the spring.
Oh, okay. So my time in Jamaica has come to an end, a well-spent week. Enjoy the weather, enjoy the food. It was good to be back home. As they would say, nowhere no better than yard. Right, so I'm heading back to the cold right now. I'm not looking forward to it, however, I'm looking forward to seeing my family. So stay tuned until the next video. Alright, the next vlog. So I'll see you in the next vlog. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and also share it with your friends and ask your friends to share it with their friends. Alright? See you. And then this is what I came back to. From beautiful Jamaica, beautiful sunshine, warm weather, to just look at this. Yeah, I know it's beautiful, but extremely, extremely cold.